Hello and welcome to English Through Experience. I'm ET Tutor. This is a GCSE revision video for anyone doing Edexcel English Language Paper 2 Section A. So this time we are looking at question 6, which is one of the higher mark questions on the paper. And I know it's something that people feel a little bit negative about, but it's really just using the same skills you've been using throughout. It's going to be nice and easy for you. So you're looking at the whole text in question 6. That's really important to remember. So it's good if you can cover the text as a whole. Now obviously here we can't see it all, but don't worry, it's down in the description box for you so you can have a look at it there. What we're trying to do with this one is focus on how successfully. So this is more evaluation. It's not locating information. It's not identifying devices. It's not saying how things work. It's putting it all together and then deciding how successful it is. So you need lots of evaluative language to do well here. The other thing to bear in mind is to really focus on the question focus. So this time it's the dramatic nature of being out at sea. And then, as always, we need those detailed references to the text. So if you're talking more about language, then it might be quotes. If you're talking about other things, it might be okay just to give a detail, an event and incident within the text itself. Right, let's have a little look then. I'm going to go back up to the start and think about this simile that we looked at in question 5. You can comment on things that you have commented on previously if you need to, so don't worry about that. I'm going to use this and I'm going to say that this part is particularly successful because it takes place early on in the piece. So there's a little nod to structure as well as language. It takes place early on and gives us a real insight into how the character, the narrator, is feeling at this point in time. Having this empathy allows us to go on the journey with him. Yeah, that last little bit where I said go on the journey with him is the kind of thing that when we're examining we go, oh yeah, that's good. They're thinking about the text as a whole. So I hope that example makes sense, and you can see I said how it worked and I kept saying how successful it was. So focus in on that. Successfully achieves. You could use phrases like successfully evokes this image in the reader's mind. Very successfully. Making links, saying this builds upon what they'd done successfully earlier. I know it might sound a bit silly, but that's what this question is about. It's asking you to evaluate the different aspects of the text. Yeah? So try to write in the third person. It needs to be this critical analysis, and you should be fine with that. If you have a go at any points or do a little bit towards this task, you might want to share it in the comment section below, because I know a lot of students do struggle with it. But I hope that's helped a little bit and you're starting to feel more confident. If you haven't watched the other videos because you've thought, yeah, that's easy, and gone straight into this number 6, I would suggest they are worth it. Even if you have to increase the playback speed when watching them because you're short of time. If you don't know how to do that, there is a video showing you. So basically, I just talk faster so you can get through it a little bit more quickly. But I do think they're worth it. You will be surprised how many people make little mistakes that cost a lot of marks. That being said, I'm sure you've got this. You're going to smash it. It's all going to be okay. Best of luck.